Okay, I'm going to try this other recording method. So here's the Format Canvas menu. And all I want to be able to do is click on one of these images that I've imported. They were JPEGs. And resize them. I was able to do it successfully when I did these two. But when I did the third one, I lost the menu and it's never come back. So you see how it's highlighted? And I don't get the image format menu. If I click the canvas again, this reappears. If I click this image, it's highlighted, but the image menu never appears. If I go back to the canvas, this comes without a problem. The third picture, it disappears. Now what I haven't done is try to delete this element and see if that changes anything. There's another image down here. I don't even know which one that is. Ah, yeah, I do remember that image. So if I delete this one, no, it's still not coming up. Still not coming up. And what I did was I imported. Oh, let me see if I can remember where I put these. I think they're here. Let's just try this other image, see what happens. Now I'm even having trouble importing, so that may be another issue, but oh well, I've got an hourglass, so maybe it's just having trouble with the size. Let me pause and so I don't burn you out on this video. Well, I don't know exactly what happened, but now we're not responding, and so I'm just going to cut it here and see if maybe we can come up with a solution based on what I've recorded to this point.